Good morning, friend. Today we discuss the fifth word of the linguistic notes in paper 10, unit 4, boycott. Friend, generally the boycott, you know about that were popular or you have heard before the some time during this conflict between India, China's. You heard there the people say that boycott the China product. Just in the history of Indian independence, there were also in 1940 Simon go back movement, and they also used the words boycott, Simon Commission. But we, we try to know about that, how this word boycott came into existence in English literature. So friend, in 1880 there was in 1880 there was an Irish land war, the war between England and Ireland. And in this war, England won some part of the Ireland. Just we know about that in our India, there was a British agent or administrator. For example, we can say Lord Curzon, Lord Dalhousie, Lord Ripon, and they rule over India as the agent of East India Company in England. The same way here in Ireland, they put agent for the Irish state, and the name of that ruler or the agent is Captain Charles Boycott. Captain Charles Boycott was by nature very cruel and harsh to the Teton. When Teton means natives of that land, રહેવાસીઓ in the sense Gujarati, Irelandના રહેવાસીઓ. And due to his harsh nature, he ordered to those residents, or we can say that the workers of the Ireland, and pay less money. That's why those Teton or natives of the Ireland started passive resistance or refused to till in the form of boycott. Friend, you heard the word passive resistance in the reference of the Gandhi Bapu, asahkar. In 20th century in India, Indian freedom movement, ગાંધી બાપુનો શબ્દ હતો ને અસહકારની ચળવળ. The same in 1880, those resistance of those Irish natives, they start passive resistance or denied to work in the form of boycott. And gradually people ask to those natives of the island, what are you doing? So they say that we boycott, and gradually they boycott. The name of the person become the proper noun, become the common noun, and boycott means to refuse, or to refuse with a passive resistance to do the work. Thank you.